What do I do if I am unable to recover my Facebook account after 30 days of deletion?
Hello, everybody. Today, we're diving into a common problem many of us face, recovering a deleted Facebook account. Specifically, what if 30 days have passed since you deleted your account? Is there a way to recover it, or is all hope lost? Let's find out.
What happens when you delete your Facebook account?
When you decide to delete your Facebook account, Facebook doesn't immediately erase all your data. Instead, it goes into a deactivated state for 30 days. This is known as a grace period, during which you can log back into your account and choose to reactivate it.
Can I recover my account after 30 days?
After the 30-day grace period, Facebook begins the process of permanently deleting your account. This can take up to 90 days. Unfortunately, once this process starts, there's no going back. Facebook explicitly states that you can't recover your account or any of your data after the 30-day grace period.
What can I do if I can't recover my account?
So you're past the 30-day mark and you can't recover your old account. What now? The best course of action is to create a new Facebook account. While this won't bring back your old data, it will allow you to reconnect with your friends and start anew. That's all for today's video. While it's unfortunate that Facebook doesn't allow for account recovery past the 30-day mark, remember that you can always start fresh with a new account. Always be careful when deciding to delete your Facebook account, and make sure it's what you truly want to do. Hope this video has been helpful, and if you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.